Hi guys, my name is Anish and today I am going to show you my all collection of gadgets. Here you can see my drones, cars, boats and many other things like many big boat and mobile phone and everything. So in this video I am going to show you my all of gadgets one by one and is testing, and I am sure you will enjoy. So let's start. Here you can see my all of gadgets in one frame. So first of all I am starting with our UNBOXER Discovery drone. This drone comes with excellent features like altitude hold, and its camera is wide angle camera, which view is so great. And another drone we have WL Toys drone. This drone has optical flow positioning hold that is quite good for these drones, and this is Pioneer GD118. This drone also allows optical flow positioning hold, 1 key return and many other features. In its mobile app you can enjoy follow me mode and music and everything. And next we have DJI Telo clone, names Nimble. This drone is excellent for experienced pilot. And here we have E88 Pro modified drone which comes with skeleton photo. This drone comes with great look. I also made its full review video. If you want to see, the links are in the description. And next we have the V drone. This drone is made in India. You can buy it from Electrobotic site. The links are in the description. And next we have the Pokemon drone, DJI Telo. This drone does not exist to me because I made many experiments, so this drone does not exist now to me. And here a rock crawler, that is here. It is the box of the rock crawler. And here another rock crawler, Ferrari. Here Yamaha bike. Here you can see regular Jeep, Lamborghini, modified Ferrari, 2 regular Jeep, 1 very old model Jeep. And here you can see a big one. This is the biggest RC car I have. Here is the box of RC helicopter. This is my first helicopter, so I become so nostalgic by seeing this box. This boat can run up to 40 to 45 km per hour, and here is remote and everything. So this is our collection. And here you can see Amazon Echo Dot. If you want to see its full unboxing and review, please comment. I will make the video of it. And here is the mobile box, which is Vivo V20 SE. I am making the video with this mobile. And here the back side, here you can see the remotes. Here you can see all of the remotes of drones, car, boats, etc. So I am going to show you it's all testing. Enjoy.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught.
खुश हूँ मैं जो आपने ये कह दिया. मेरे सर्किट्स की गहराइयों से आपका शुक्रिया.